Today, the first trip is starting from Vasco at 11:20 hours. The train is fully packed in the sense that all the berths are booked, and there were even lot of waiting list also was there. Even the unreserved compartment also we have stopped booking. In fact, because we could not accommodate all the passengers by today's train. And the next trip is on 3rd September and further on 6th September. But number of berths are vacant in the train. Particularly on 3rd September we got around 451 berths vacant, and on 6th September we got around 793 berths are still vacant. Even there is likelihood of the number of trips also being reduced in the coming years.
अग्नल बाबा आज वेलंकनी ट्रेन वयता वास्कोच्या कितें सांगूंक सोदता हे फॅसिलिटी बद्दल तूं?
एकदम चड खोशी जालो ही स्पेशली जी ट्रेन आमकां सरकारान अरेंज केली. हांव आमच्या गोंयच्या सरकाराक तशेंच सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाकूय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की आमकां कॅथलीक बांदवांक एक स्पेशल अशी सवलत केली म्हण तयार. हरशीं पळोवंक गेल्यार ही सवलत आमी गोंयकारांनी अदीक घेवपाक जाय आनी आमकां चड फायदो कित्याक विदीन अ शॉर्ट टायम म्हणटा तशें आमचो वेळ सांबाळून आमी सायबिणीच्या दर्शनाक पावपाक शकतात.